morning, good afternoon and good evening. It is checkout day of Universal Cabana Bay. Look sad. But look happy because it also means it's Disney World French Polynesian Day. Woo! We are going to check out. We're going to go to Volcano Bay for a couple of hours. We're going to pop over and do one or two things at Universal. And then we're going to go to Disney World. So, Volcano Bay, cue montage.
It's all right once you're in. Oh, I'm going.
Is that your best David Hasselhoff?
I don't know, David Hasselhoff.
You have to do it like
that.
I guess.
Volcano Bay, completed it, mate. We actually got lots of the rides today.
I was very brave.
Couldn't film any of it, but you do get a taste of the
Not so lazy river.
And the lazy river. But Volcano Bay done. We're going to go back to the room, head over to Universal, and we're going to do Men in Black, Spider-Man, The Simpsons, Ride Rockit, King Kong, and maybe Velocicoaster.
I thought you were the Viking.
I'm going to have some of it.
This makes me Viking.
You got to bite into it like a Viking.
That's a pirate.
Tried to frame me for robbery, and he was foiled by the Simpsons. And now he's vowed to kill them all, even the baby.
As long as you have a dime left in your pocket. Tell me you're done killing us. Now I'm doing it.
Baby, because we're taking you guys. You ready to rock it?
Put the one on the gram, boy, get temper, just toss that ham in the frying pan.
Insane in the brain! Insane in the membrane! Insane! Oh.
Ooh, that rocked!
back at Cabana Bay for the last time. Still looking a little dishevelled from Volcano Bay.
Very dishevelled from Volcano Bay.
So we went round Universal Studios, we got on a few rides, I got some voodoo donuts, you got a Rice Krispie treat.
We'll have to wait and see how that sells.
But we're just waiting for a taxi, going to get our luggage and we're going to head over to Disney.
And start holiday number 3.
I don't know why I waved then, I meant to go.
Well, ta-ra a bit, Cabana Bay, you've been lovely.
Until next time, and we'll see you guys later in the next one.